I had a feeling that they were kind of trying to dupe some of MAC's lipstick. Hey guys, welcome to today's video and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video I am going to be reviewing the brand new Maybelline Ultimate Matte lipsticks. These are brand new in India. I think these lipsticks were launched in India on Nykaa in February, but here in the States they were launched I think by the end of 2020, and I purchased these lipsticks last year, and I have a total of 12 lipsticks in my collection. But I recently checked Nykaa's website and I found that they launched only 8 shades on Nykaa, and I have here all the 8 shades that are available in India. So not only that, I will be giving you hand swatches, lip swatches as well. So yeah, before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Neeta. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me, and if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further blabbering, let's get started. If you are interested to know how I created this look, a tutorial is up on my Instagram, so make sure to check them out. And talking about my skin tone, I am originally NC35 in MAC Studio Fix foundation. I am currently wearing the MAC foundation and I am NC35. But I wore this lipstick when I was really tanned, like NC40-ish, and I can give you a clear idea what lip shade you should choose depending on your skin tone. Let's just talk about the packaging. It is very sleek plastic packaging, and it is kind of a matte, and Maybelline and everything is written right here over there. It's a silver kind of a motif, and I really like the packaging. It is very travel friendly. It does not take a lot of space in my bag, and when you open it up, it is, and you twist it up like this. It is actually a bullet lipstick and it is very sleek, and you can see the slanted edge. It is very nice to like apply your lipstick right here on your cupid bow, and you can actually line your lips as well with this lipstick. So the packaging is really 10 on 10, and I am impressed with the packaging. And it is actually color coded. That means the color that you see on the packaging, it matches the lipstick shade. And one more thing, these lipsticks are really travel friendly because this, when you close it and see the clicking sound, and it just closes so tightly, it does not open. I have had these issues with so many of my lipsticks when I keep it in my purse and the cap just falls off and the lipstick gets everywhere. This is not the case with these lipsticks. The cap closes really tight, making it really travel friendly and secure. Talking about the claims, these lipsticks claim to be really lightweight, pigmented, long lasting and matte. We will see that. And now let's just quickly jump into the review part, and then I will give you lip swatches. Not only that, while swatching the lipsticks, I will also explain the shades, and I will tell you which shade is suitable for what skin tone. And if you are here only for the review or only for the lip swatches, I will mention the timestamp in the description box down below or here on the screen. These lipsticks claim to be pigmented, and let me just show you here. Do you see that? It is like one swipe pigmentation. I did not have to apply 2 layers, just one swipe and you get the full opacity. It is very pigmented and it is not patchy at all. Sometimes with deeper darker shades they tend to be a little patchy, but it is not patchy at all. So the first claim, pigmented, it is again 10 on 10. These lipsticks are super duper pigmented. The next claim is matte. Of course it is matte. I am wearing one of the shades today on my lips. Do you see any kind of shine peeping through? No, right? So it looks matte. Right? Now it is a bullet lipstick, and bullet lipsticks are not always like super duper matte like some of the liquid lipsticks. They still have some kind of moisture in it. So if you feel your lipstick, it does not feel like super stretchy like liquid lipstick kind of a matte, but it is matte. When you look at my lips, you cannot say that it is a shiny or satin lipstick. It is a complete matte looking lipstick. It feels hydrated, it feels really smooth on the skin, but when you look at it, it is completely matte. So again, I agree with the claim that it is a completely matte lipstick. The next claim is lightweight. Of course it is lightweight. Like, I am wearing it and I cannot even feel that I'm wearing any kind of matte pigmented full coverage lipstick. It is very, very lightweight. When you wear this, you cannot even feel that you are wearing any kind of lipstick on your lips. These are extremely lightweight. These are not like their super stay liquid lipsticks. Those are a little on the heavier side on the lips. You can actually feel them, but with these lipsticks you cannot feel anything. And this is like very lightweight, pigmented, and I again agree with the claim. These lipsticks are really lightweight and pigmented. The next claim is long wearing. Yes, again I kind of agree with the claim, because these lipsticks last on my lips for up to 7 hours, like 6 to 7 hours. But if I drink or eat, it kind of starts to fade a little bit and I have to like reapply it, and I do not mind that. These are bullet lipsticks, and you know, with some kind of like liquid lipsticks as well, when you eat or drink, they tend to like fade away from the center. But with these lipsticks, the best thing is when they start to fade, they kind of fade pretty evenly and they leave a really nice stain behind. It does not fade in a patchy sort of way, if that makes sense. I'm sure if you have that experience with so many liquid lipsticks, it kind of starts to fade from the center and it kind of looks patchy, and you cannot reapply those lipsticks. You have to remove it and then reapply it. But with these lipsticks, when they start to fade, they just fade very evenly without making my lips look really patchy and, you know, uncomfortable. No, they just fade in a very nice way. Now, the other day when I was checking Nykaa's website to see how many shades they have launched in India. Here in the States, I think there are 20 shades, but in India they have launched 8 shades. And I was checking the review section and I found a couple of reviews saying that it is not transfer proof. Now, this is not a con for me, because these lipsticks do not claim to be transfer proof. I checked everywhere. I checked on Maybelline's website, I checked on Ulta's website. These lipsticks do not claim to be transfer proof. These are bullet lipsticks, so you will get some kind of transfer for sure. So I'm not considering it as a con, because why? These don't claim to be transfer proof, so I don't consider it to be a con. Now let me just show you how much transfer you get with these lipsticks. See, the transfer is very minimum, I would say. See, it transfers just a bit, and if I compare this lipstick with some of my other bullet lipsticks, I would say that the transfer is very minimum. It still get transfer, but it is not like something overwhelming. It transfers, but it is very minimum. And these lipsticks are so heavily pigmented that even if it transfers, it does not fade right away from your lips. No matter how much transfer you get, the lipstick will still stay there. The lipstick will still show up because it is a very pigmented formula. And there is one more thing. When I was swatching these lipsticks, or when I first got these lipsticks, actually this formula reminded me a lot of MAC Retro Matte Bullet lipsticks. The formula is like very similar, and when I was swatching these lipsticks, I had a feeling that they were kind of trying to dupe some of MAC's lipstick. Recently I uploaded a reel on my Instagram and I shared with you a spot on dew for MAC Chili, and that was the shade More Rust. That is a spot on dew for MAC Chili. You can go ahead and check that reel out. And some other shades as well reminded me a lot of some other MAC lipsticks that I have in my collection. Like there is one shade that is like 99.9% similar to MAC Ruby Woo. But let me just be completely honest with you. I definitely choose these lipsticks over any of my high-end lipsticks, be it MAC, be it Anastasia. I think these are like probably the best drugstore bullet lipsticks that I have tried so far. Very impressed with the quality. Again, if you want me to throw away all my lipstick collection, like my high-end lipsticks, and keep only this, I will be totally okay with it. And trust me, I have worn these lipsticks tons of. So there, though I have not found some cons about these lipsticks, but there are some factors and I want to mention them quickly. These are a very matte formula, so you need to apply a hydrating lip balm underneath, and you need to scrub your lips very well if you have really dry and crusty lips. These lipsticks does not emphasize any lines that I have on my lips. This does not make my lips look dry or crusty. Rather, it just makes my lips look really smooth. As you can see, I am totally in love with this lipstick. So that was my review of these lipsticks. Now let's just quickly jump into the swatches. I'm starting with the shade more mauve. Though they call it a mauve lipstick, I would call it a pinkish nude lipstick, but it definitely has a mauve undertone to it. So the name is quite appropriate, and I would call it an everyday like mauvey pink nude lipstick. And this lipstick is suitable for all skin tone. However, if you are darker than my skin tone, then you need to apply a darker lip liner and then you will be good to go. For me personally, I can wear this lipstick even without a lip liner and it looks so good, and it is for me kind of a everyday pinky mauvey nude lipstick. The next shade is more blush. It is kind of a rosy pink lipstick and blush toned like rosy pink lipstick. It doesn't have a mauve undertone to it. It is definitely a pink lipstick, but it has more like a coral like rosy undertone to it. Again, it just looks so flattering on my skin tone. But let me tell you, when I was tan like NC40-ish, I needed to apply a lip liner, otherwise it was kind of washing me out a bit. So if you are darker than my skin tone, make sure to use a darker lip liner. But if you are similar to my skin tone like NC35, then you do not need a lip liner. This just looks so flattering. It just goes well with almost all my dresses and eye looks. So I really like this lipstick, and this was, I think, the first lipstick that I got from this collection. Again, beautiful shade, love it. Next, I have the shade more taupe. This is what I'm wearing today on my lips. This is, I would call it a warm toned brown, like straight up warm toned brown lipstick, and it is again suitable for all skin tone. If you are darker than me or lighter than me, doesn't matter, it will suit you perfectly. And it is a perfect like everyday brown nude lipstick. You can wear it to college, school, offices. This is just a perfect day-to-day nude lipstick, and I actually prefer this kind of a nude lipstick for my skin tone because it is a warm brown lipstick, and it kind of flatters my warm olive yellowish undertone perfectly. I really like this lipstick, and this is my most used lipstick out of the bunch. Next, I have the shade more buff. It is, I would call it more like peachy brown lipstick. It has the little hint of pink in it, but it is kind of a peachy pink nude lipstick. And I would definitely say you need a darker lip liner with this lipstick if you are similar to my skin tone. I always use a darker like brown lip liner with it, otherwise it kind of washes me out. When I was really tan, I could not wear this lipstick without a darker lip liner, so please keep that in mind. Again, this is a very beautiful everyday nude lipstick. You can wear this look to office, college, but make sure to wear a darker lip liner, otherwise it kind of looks a little weird and it kind of washes me off. So I highly recommend you using a lip liner. Again, this is the shade more buff, and it is a beautiful shade. Next, I have here the shade more magenta, and I would definitely call it a very bold lipstick. If you are someone who does not like to wear bold lipsticks, then you might not like this shade. This is a very bright kind of a lipstick, though they call it a magenta shade, but I would call it a Rani pink shade. It is a beautiful shade and I really like it, and I think this particular shade is suitable for all skin tone. But again, you need to love bold colors on you in order to love this lipstick. And this is like one of those lipsticks that just make your complexion look brighter, and it just gives you that beautiful like festive appearance. So yeah, if you are into bolder, darker lipsticks, definitely you can give it a shot. Next, I have 3 shades of red, and these are like, though they are reds, they all are reds, but they are different from each other. Now next, I have the shade More Rust. I would call it a straight up like orangish red lipstick. It has a strong orange undertone to it. So in case you are looking for an orange based red, definitely give it a shot. I like this lipstick, I wear this lipstick, but I think like this lipstick kind of makes my teeth look a little yellow. That thing I don't like about these lipsticks, but it looks really flattering on my skin tone, and I think this red is perfect for all skin tone. So in case you are looking for a orange toned red lipstick, then definitely give it a shot. And this is again More Rust, and it is a spot on dupe, like spot on dupe. There is no difference whatsoever for MAC Chili. So in case you are willing to get MAC Chili, but you are kind of hesitant for the price tag, definitely give this lipstick a shot, and I'm sure you will fall in love with this color, with this formula. Next, I have the shade More Scarlet, and it is a straight up blue toned red lipstick. It is kind of a traditional blue toned red lipstick, and this lipstick gives me a vibe of MAC Ruby Woo, and this is, I would call it 99.9% similar to MAC Ruby Woo. It is flattering on all skin tone. I have owned these lipsticks a lot, and this is like one of those lipsticks that just makes your complexion look brighter, that makes your teeth look brighter as well. So in case you are looking for a traditional bullet lipstick, like red bullet lipstick, definitely give it a shot. This is like one of my favorite shades in this entire collection. Highly recommend. Next, again, there is a red, but it is a very unique red, and you guys probably won't believe that I have at least 20 to 25 red lipsticks in my collection now. I have decluttered so many of my lipsticks, but still I have like 20 to 25 red lipsticks. But this lipstick is, the shade is very unique. When I swatch it, it it is a red, of course it is a blue toned red, but it has a strong pink undertone to it, but it is not a straight up pink as well. It has just a hint of pink in it with red. I just can't explain better because it is a very like unique sort of a red. Like on the days when my makeup is looking a little dull and my complexion is looking a little dull, you know, it happens sometimes, I just throw on this lipstick and it just instantly makes everything look brighter, and it just instantly gives me that glam appearance, and I absolutely love this lipstick. And this is one of the unique, and this is one of the most beautiful shade of red that I have ever tried. It is very unique, and this particular shade is suitable for all skin tones. So no matter what skin tone you have, you are definitely going to rock this particular shade. So yeah, that's it for this video. That was my review and lip swatches. Let me know what do you guys think about these lipsticks. Again, if you like them, if you don't like them, please let me know in the comment section down below, and let me know which shade you are planning to get for yourself. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and if you liked this video, then please hit the like button and please do subscribe. And if you are not following me on Facebook and Instagram, then please do follow me there, because I upload a lot of Instagram reels, a lot of Instagram makeup tutorials, and I'm sure you do not want to miss them, because those are like additional quick sneak peek makeup tutorials. So please do follow me on Instagram, and yes, see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.